Alright, hey, how's it going? Today's a bit of a fun video. This is the video where I ask for money. So, you may have noticed that I recently put out a course on Pygame development, and I'm really happy with that. But it did take a lot of time, and I went back and forth on that whether I would release the full course or just part of the course and then put the rest behind a paywall. And at the end of the day, I had to release the full course because I believe that education should be free and open source, and I think that's the way things are going. That'll give the best content. But you know what I'm doing here. This is my little spiel. I would appreciate some support. So I've launched a Patreon page. If you enjoy the content and you're getting about $5 a month of value from it, then I would appreciate that support in monetary form. Of course, in addition to that, there are some slightly higher tiers where you get more voting rights on what content I'm producing, which, that would be very cool. And I would, any support is appreciated, honestly. But if not, of course, no problem. The content it'll always be available, fully available here on YouTube. And I really do just appreciate anyone who watches my stuff anyway. So thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.